Want to know the 5 things you need to succeed in affiliate marketing? Watch this video to find out. Now before we get started, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe, and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. So what are some things you need to succeed online with affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is one of the hottest things out there to make money online. It's not easy necessarily, but it's definitely a new way to approach online business. It's an easy way to propel yourself into a way of making money online pretty passively. But there's a few things to keep in mind when you're going forward with trying to make some money through affiliate marketing. First thing is you have to have an open mind. There's things that are constantly changing in the internet, and you have to be able to jump and leap from one thing to another. You have to be willing to learn. There's always something new you'll have to figure out and work around to be able to be successful. Another thing you got to realize is that you need a lot of patience. With affiliate marketing, you have to be patient. It takes a lot of time to be able to build up all the infrastructure around the tools that you need to be able to be noticed, to have a presence online that will ultimately result in you having success with earning money. You need to set your own destiny to succeed. What that means is you need to have goals. You need to be determined. You cannot just do this passively to start. It is a lot of hard work. And if you only do a half measure, you're not going to be very successful. The hardest part is finding the drive, the motivation. Oftentimes it's best to find a way to be accountable, so like a peer group or even other resources online where you can share and manage struggles and find a community that's going to help you move forward. Another thing that's important is that you need to have a good routine. You can't just flounder and do this or that. You really have to get in there and have a set routine, whether it's putting out emails, creating content, researching. There's always something to do. You really need to have a good routine to keep things in order. There's a lot of apps out there that can help you do that. For instance, Trello or Monday.com. I'll have those posts later that will explain some of those also if you're interested in those. And lastly, the most important thing is to have a good attitude. Money's not going to come into your pocket just because you want it. You have to be positive about it. You have to push through some of the challenges. It's really going to depend on what you put in is what you get out. And the important thing is a positive attitude. So let me ask, what kind of attitude do you have about affiliate marketing? Let me know in the comments below. Hopefully this was useful. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Was any of this information helpful? If so, let me know in the comments below. And also make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way, you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online legitimately, the right way and properly, visit HindeSights.com and learn step-by-step how to do that. Or click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.